Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your RMG Mortgage account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your RMG Mortgage account, firstly go ahead and launch open any web browser of your preference. On the search box at the top, type in rmgmortgage.ca and make a search. You will end up on the login page of your RMG Mortgage account. Enter your username and password associated with your RMG Mortgage account and tap on Login. Click on an eye icon to check if you have entered your password correctly or not. Tick mark on the box that says Remember Me in case if you want your ID to be remembered next time you log in. This is how you can log into your RMG Mortgage account quickly and easily, just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.